So it's been a minute since we've done a video on some earbuds, so I thought now would be a great time to take that opportunity and check out some. But not just any earbuds, some low latency gaming earbuds. So today's episode, EKSA has partnered up with us to take a look at their GT1 Cobra true wireless gaming earbuds. Welcome back to another episode of Good Tech Cheap. My name is Brad and I'll be the host for today's episode. If you are new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on that bell if you'd like to receive notifications. Today's episode, we have partnered up with EKSA to check out their GT1 Cobra true wireless gaming earbuds with a charging case. We have all the links and details to these earbuds located in the description if you'd like to take a look. Well, let's not waste any more time, get them out of the box, see what we get, and try them out. Okay, so we have the GT1 true wireless gaming earbuds. They are by the EKSA manufacturer. I believe I'm saying that right. If not, I apologize. They have Bluetooth version 5.0 with a speaker size of 10 millimeters. The impedance is at 32 ohms. The sensitivity is at plus 3 dB and a frequency response of 20 Hz to 20 kilohertz. The earphone batteries are 50 milliamps and the charging case battery is rated at 500 milliamps. So let's get these out and see what they look like. Packaging is looking really nice. I like how the box opens up like so. Then we have the charging case right on top. We can pull these out, take a look on the inside real quick. Oh, they look really nice. It feels real sturdy. They feel real sturdy. They don't feel cheap. The plastic feels real nice on them. They've got a solid feel. On the back we have a USB-C port, so that's nice that we have the updated ports. And then underneath we have some more packaging. Let's get this out. Here's we have the charging cable. And we also have some extra earbuds. There is the fourth one. Alright. And then we have the paperwork as well in the box. So that's what you get right out of the box. You get the charging case, both earbuds, some extra earbud tips, as well as a charger and your paperwork. So let's get these charged up and let's check them out. So I really am a big fan of the design. It's got a slick Cobra look to it with blue lighting that just sets these off in my opinion. The charging case will keep these charged and ready to go when they're not in use, and after you Bluetooth sync to your device, they will automatically connect when taking out of the case and disconnect when put back in the case. So that makes the syncing time way faster. You don't have to actually pair these every time you get them out of the case. Big bonus points. You get around 36 hours of total playtime with the charging case, so I was able to use these on and off all day without them going out. As for the comfort, they fit nicely in my ears, giving me great noise reduction and ultra low latency that's rated at 38 milliseconds. That being said, I didn't notice any lag whatsoever when watching videos or playing games with my setup, so I was highly impressed. For controlling your music and more is simple enough with the multifunctional controls that you can use to play and stop music and so much more. These earbuds also have dual modes, one for gaming and one for music. Now we know the gaming mode will use the performance from Bluetooth 5.0 to give you a lagless audio sync to your games. But with the music mode you get the bone thumping bass and crisp highs with stereo sound. So it's a bit more of an EQ punch in music mode, and then you use the full perks of Bluetooth 5.0 with the gaming mode. And music is typically what I've been using these earbuds for, and I have been 100% completely satisfied. If you're looking into the GT1 Cobra earbuds, I would highly recommend them. For me, I have truly been enjoying them. We'll have all of our links and details located in the description. If you found this review helpful, be sure to give this video a like and get in those comments. Let us know what your thoughts are on the GT1 Cobra gaming earbuds. That is going to be it for today's episode. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell if you'd like to receive notifications. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll be seeing you in the next review.